So we're currently on a walking tour of Little Tokyo. We began at the Democracy Center and now we just passed by the Go for Broke monument, a reminder of some of the brave Japanese Americans who fought during World War II. That Go for Broke phrase means like all in, because I think that was a situation maybe that they felt. Just speaking to a fellow descendant of a Japanese American veteran, I'm reminded of the heavy cost for the 442nd, their bravery, their contribution to America, despite some of the challenges and discrimination. Even, I believe it was President Roosevelt that said, fought prejudice and won. So behind me is Union Church. Just stepping away from Union Church, just an amazing place where the Japanese community used to gather together and worship. Later, when Japanese Americans were interned, the basement of that church was actually used to store some of the property of the Japanese Americans that went to the concentration camps and was able to be stored there. We had a chance to kind of look around the neighborhood as well, and some of the places were lost to the Japanese American community because the property was taken when they returned back after the war. So just kind of being in this place and knowing that this is a part of the history, the story of this location, Union Church even being one of the locations of where Japanese Americans were taken then to internment camps. It's a short walk from the Japanese American Museum to Little Tokyo. And so there are a lot of different kinds of shops here, including a mochi shop where I just purchased some yummy mochi from. I hear the lines long on the weekends, but on the weekday it was really short. And I know there were some ramen noodle shops as well. We didn't have a chance to eat today, but I've tasted there before. It's super good. I think it's wonderful when you come to these places to really experience that. Includes like tasting. I think that's a part of the experience. I had lunch, but I would definitely come to this place hungry. There are so many different bakeries and shops and foods and mochi and all kinds of yummy stuff to eat out here. This is a cool place. So this location is actually the Azusa Street Revival location where there was a great revival, kind of like the Great Awakening in the United States, here in Azusa, Los Angeles, right in front of the Japanese American Community Center. Super cool. So much to see in the Japanese American Museum. First of all, you got a resource center, library, you got artwork, photography, the story of Japanese American history told through many curated portions of the museum. You get a chance to kind of see what it was like to maybe be relocated and to have a certain space, historical documents, quotes, all these things here at the Japanese American Museum.